Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, May 25th, 2016. Well, folks, I'm keeping a close eye on the shipping sector here. These are the dry bulk shippers as well as others. They've been pounded down, but they've had a history over the last few months of these monster moves to the upside. A good example here is DRYS, which in 2 days went basically from $2.25 to $4.50. So essentially a 100% move. And then look at this slow consolidation. But then what's caught my attention is today's price action. It's starting to move up again. It's getting some interest today. That's actually a pretty strong move, almost 10%. Now, it still could, I mean, in theory, this thing could go up to the 200 here, back to about $4.45 or so. But even a move to the 20 MA is still a 50-cent move, or about a 20% move on this stock. So there's still room here. And again, the only reason I'm highlighting this is because of today's price action. It definitely is kind of a change in character from what we've seen recently, especially the last few days as it's come down. It's starting to reverse to the back to the upside. So just a heads up there. There are some other ones we're paying attention to as well here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. A huge mover recently has been PRGN. PRGN, get this, guys. This is one of the craziest moves I've seen. 25 cents to $4 in 2 days. Think about the percentages. I don't even know the percent. What is that, like 800%, something like that? I mean, it's incredible. Incredible. Actually, it's more than 800%. That's thousands of percents. Bottom line is, the stock hasn't pulled back as much as dry ships, but it's consolidated and seems like it's found some sort of base right around here on top of the 50 moving average. So that should be on your watch list. Another one of my favorites, EGLE. EGLE, take a look at this, guys. I'm going to take out the 200 moving average here because I think it skews the chart here. Look at this. There, that's much clearer, right? So look at this. It had this huge pop, consolidated. Pop, which, by the way, this looks like a much smaller pop than this one, and it is. But get this, from this low, that was 34 cents. It went to $1.20. So 30 cents to $1.20. That's 300%. That's 300% up. And then it pulled back down here where it was trading at 50 cents, and then it went back to $1.10, which is over 100%. So you can see every so often this thing is popping up. And look at the last few days on this. It's kind of starting to put in a base. It looks like the sellers are kind of out of this at this point, and it's starting to look a lot more attractive here with a little bit of a base. So again, I'm not saying this thing could go like this, but it has potential to maybe at least pop back to a buckish, give or take, and that's still a nice gain. So, I mean, there's a lot of these shipping stocks. Let's take a look at Diana Shipping. I mean, this one too. This one too. It's not as volatile. It's a little bit of a bigger company, but I mean, from $3.80 back down to $2.30. I mean, it would not be shocking. See these little pivot lows here? That could be a direct move area where this could head back to. Listen, I'm just going to speak straight to you guys, right? So obviously every shipping stock, I mean, they've been in the tank for a long, long time. They're crappy companies for the most part, but I want you guys to understand, you're not investing in them, you're trading them, meaning that you're going for a short-term move. So, is it risky? Yes. Do you lower your share size? Yeah, heck yeah. Or maybe you avoid it if it's too risky for you. But I'm just pointing out here potential trading opportunities that are getting my attention. And again, I think that's the key, to kind of keep your eyes open, because you never know when we could wake up one morning to dry ships being up 20, 30, 40% a day, EGLE up 50%. I mean, these type of moves are recurring in these stocks almost on a monthly basis, it seems. So just heads up. Wanted to pass this along to you. Again, take a look at DRYS, now up about 10% on the day, and that's really what's getting my attention because of the long consolidation. So even just a bounce, let's say just a Fibonacci bounce, let's say a 382 or 0.5 retrace. I mean, that still puts you up above $3 here, which is fantastic. I mean, percentage-wise, that's a monster. All right, guys. Bottom line is, take a look for yourself, see what you think. I'll talk to you soon. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. This is where we find them. I give you guys my exact trades at InTheMoneyStocks.com. You get analysis on a daily basis. Take the 7-day free trial. It's free, guys. 7 days free. Check it out. All right? Research Center is the place to be. That's where you get my live trades. Take care.